Big news is coming from the Middle East, and things are getting serious. A new report says that the United States may be getting ready for the military action against Iran. This could actually last for a few weeks if President Donald Trump gives the final orders. And with that, according to officials quoted in the report, the US military is moving ships, fighter jets, and troops closer to the region. One of the biggest aircraft carriers in the world, the USS Gerald R. Ford, has actually been sent there. The ships can carry many fighter jets and thousands of soldiers, and it is a strong show of power. Sources also say that the possible attacks may not only focus on the nuclear sites, they also could target important Iranian government and security buildings. With that being said, that means that this would not be a small strike and it could turn into a larger conflict. At the same time, Iran is sending a strong warship. The Revolutionary Guard say that if US attacks, they will hit back harder. They claim they can strike American bases across the Middle East, and this raises fears among the fight, and it could actually spread it to the other countries within the same region. But right now, no final decision has been announced, but the movement of warships and troops show that the situation is serious, and many experts say that even one mistake could push both sides into a bigger war. People around the world are watching closely. Oil prices, global markets, and regional security, safety could all be affected if the tension rise further. So now in the end, big question. Will diplomacy calm things down, or are we moving closer to another major conflict in the Middle East?